Hey YouTube, today is Friday, January 27th, 2012. The weather looks pretty bad in Nova Scotia. One of the main streets is covered with snow, and it's snowing in ice pellets at the same time. Be extra cautious driving the car home. People come home from work. It looks pretty bad out there, where the weather looks really bad because of low pressure system heading our way. It must have been some kind of snowstorm out there here in Cape Breton Island. The main street in Whitney Pier is covered with snow. Sidewalk is covered with snow. People have to wear boots because it's snowing outside, where it looks pretty bad and pretty rough out there. Where it looks pretty rough outside tonight. Lots of bad weather has been going on in Nova Scotia. Best of luck to you. Be careful, everybody. Be careful walking up and down the street. Good luck. Just in case you slip and fall on the ice. Good luck.